Welcome to Talking Tales, Learn English. Hello, dear listeners. Today we bring you an incredible story titled The Magic of Never Giving Up, a story that will change your life. This story will inspire you, teach you valuable life lessons, and introduce you to new English vocabulary. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the magical journey of determination and perseverance. The magic of never giving up. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between towering mountains, lived a young boy named Liam. Liam was an ordinary boy with extraordinary dreams. He wanted to become an artist and paint breathtaking landscapes that would inspire the world. However, there was one problem. No matter how hard he tried, his paintings never seemed good enough. His hands trembled when he painted, and people often laughed at his work. Liam would sit outside with his sketchbook, staring at the vast sky, dreaming of the day when his paintings would be admired by others. But whenever he showed his work to people in the town, they would shake their heads and tell him that art was not his talent. Some of them even ridiculed him, telling him to give up and choose something else. It hurt Liam to hear those words, but deep inside, he refused to accept failure. He knew that success was not about being perfect. It was about never giving up. One evening, as Liam sat by the riverbank, sketching a picture of the flowing water, he heard soft footsteps approaching. He looked up to see an old man with kind eyes and a long silver beard. The man carried a wooden staff and wore a robe that looked ancient yet elegant. There was something wise and mysterious about him. "Why do you look so troubled, young one?" the old man asked, his voice gentle and warm. Liam hesitated for a moment before answering. "I want to be a great artist, but no matter how much I try, my paintings never turn out the way I want them to. People say I should stop wasting my time." The old man listened carefully and then smiled. He reached into his satchel and pulled out a small wooden box. The box was beautifully carved with delicate patterns, and it seemed to glow faintly in the dim light of the setting sun. "This is a magical paintbrush," the man said as he handed it to Liam. "But remember, its magic only works for those who never give up." Liam's eyes widened with excitement as he took the paintbrush in his hands. He felt a strange warmth spread through his fingers. He thanked the old man and ran home, eager to try it out. That night, Liam set up his canvas and picked up the magical paintbrush. He dipped it into his paints and began to stroke the canvas with great anticipation. But to his surprise, nothing extraordinary happened. His strokes were still shaky, and his colors still looked unblended. The paintbrush behaved just like any ordinary brush. Doubt crept into Liam's mind. Maybe the magic isn't real, he thought, disappointed. But then he remembered the old man's words. Its magic only works for those who never give up. Taking a deep breath, Liam decided not to lose hope. He reminded himself that great artists did not become masters overnight. He continued practicing, trying new techniques and experimenting with different styles. His hands still trembled, his work still had flaws, but he did not stop. He painted every single day, sometimes for hours, sometimes even through the night. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Liam kept going despite the setbacks. There were moments when he felt frustrated and wanted to throw away his brushes. There were times when he looked at his paintings and felt that he had made no progress at all, but something inside him pushed him forward. He refused to give up. One afternoon, as Liam was painting a sunset over the hills, he suddenly noticed something different. His brush strokes were smoother, and his colors blended perfectly. The painting in front of him was beautiful. It was unlike anything he had ever created before. A wave of realization washed over Liam. he finally understood the truth. The magic had never been in the paintbrush. The real magic had always been in his perseverance, in his determination to keep trying no matter what. Over time, Liam's paintings became even better. People in the town, the same ones who had once laughed at him, began to take notice. They admired his work and praised his talent. His paintings were displayed in exhibitions, and soon people from faraway places came to see them. Liam had become the artist he had always dreamed of becoming. But he never forgot the lesson he had learned. Success was not about having a magical tool or being naturally gifted. It was about working hard, believing in oneself, and, most importantly, never giving up. Moral of the story: 1. Never give up on your dreams, no matter how difficult the journey may seem. 2. Hard work and persistence are more powerful than natural talent. 3. Failure is not the end. It is just a stepping stone toward success. 4. Believing in yourself is the first step to achieving greatness. 5. Progress takes time, and patience is key to mastering any skill. Thank you for listening to this inspiring story on Talking Tales. Learn English. We hope this story has motivated you to keep chasing your dreams, no matter what obstacles come your way. What did you learn from today's story? Comment below and share your thoughts. Have you ever faced a challenge where you wanted to give up but decided to keep going? Tell us about your experience. Your story might inspire someone else. Our next story will be just as exciting, so make sure to stay tuned. Before you go, here's a unique word for today: perseverance. The ability to keep trying even when things are difficult. Example: Liam showed great perseverance by practicing his painting every day, even when others doubted him. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new story. See you next time on Talking Tales. Learn English. Thank you for listening to this inspiring story on Talking Tales. Learn English. We hope this story has motivated you to keep chasing your dreams, no matter what obstacles come your way. What did you learn from today's story? Comment below and share your thoughts. Our next story will be just as exciting, so make sure to stay tuned. Before you go, here's a unique word for today: perseverance. The ability to keep trying even when things are difficult. Example: Liam showed great perseverance by practicing his painting every day, even when others doubted him. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new story. See you next time on Talking Tales. Learn English.